No, you mean, no, you gotta do it this way. No. Yeah. No, you're supposed to do it. No, why did I restart it? It was perfect.
4, 6. Okay, let's go swing. First time opening. Panini PRIZM. Whoa, nice quality. Good bend. Dante. Oh, there you go. Mangala. It's a super special edition. Matty Cash. So,
Can I get
I
out?
want to hold this one.
Why am I in a belly? Time to make you a burrito. Oh, okay. I feel like a burrito. Okay, but can I be a burrito first? I gotta move her. Yeah, she's way heavy.
Jamie Vardy. There you go.
Lay down here.
Ooh, we got something.
Hold on.
Now maybe you know who he is. There's one of our red prisms. Lewis Cook, I know him. Nice.
Mia. No, I can't cover my face.
There you go. There's your boy. Scorers Club card. Nice.
Alright, guys, it's time to be a burrito.
Hey, James, I got him for Wales too.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, I agree.
Got our soccer cards going there for Matt from Daddy's work. Daddy's
Did you
buddy.
got any Messi or Ronaldo?
No Messi or Ronaldo. We're hoping.
Ooh, it's hot here.
Tim Ream.
Alright, y'all.
That's a silver.
Like this. Okay.
Yeah, that's a silver. See the silver border. You just have the red.
Not like straight. You have to do like this on this side. And have to do this side. What you're supposed to do up here.
Antonio.
But you need to do it up
And Dyke.
here.
Another one of your boys.
All the way up there.
Wolves.
You're ready to up here too.
I'll sleeve both of these for you.
Ow, what are you doing? Someone bring us in it.
Last one.
Okay, hold on.
Last one. Oh, we got a red, buddy. Let's go like this. There we go. Oh, okay, not too bad there. And our red prism is... I have no idea, but maybe you do.
I really want him Ronaldo or Messi.
All right, hang on.
Oh, wait, there's more?
So, here's our two red prisms. Top load those.
Big.
There's another one of our special editions. Mangala. And then your special, your boy, Rosala. Peace.